What's up guys, this is your chef Jasbir and welcome to the TheFoodXP kitchen. Today I'm going to make a delicious breakfast inspired by Chef Gordon Ramsay, and I am going to make a delicious ricotta and blueberry pancakes. Sounds interesting, right? I am also excited to make this recipe, so without wasting any time, let's get started. So the first step is to make the pancake batter. We are going to make a regular pancake batter by the addition of blueberries and some egg yolks. So let's watch this carefully. Let's add our star ingredients for our pancakes. So, ricotta and some blueberries. So I have whisked the egg whites to create the air into this egg white mixture, so that my pancake should look fluffy and even more delicious.